Canva can be used to design wonderful presentations. So to design presentations, I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go for presentation sets right over here. And let's see the slide template that actually come up. So you can see that there's a lot of slide templates right over here. So there's something such as corporate and guideline, as you can see. So these are the templates you can use for presentation, as you can see. Or you can create your own, of course. So let me just go over here and select this out right over here, and it'll load up the presentation slide for me. So you can see that this is the work area. So I can go over here, I can change out the width. So I can type in something like tutor tube, and I can go over here and type in tutor tube. So let's just go over here. I'm going to type in tutor tube. I'm just going to rename this out, and I'm going to change this out into lessons at your convenience, just like this. All right, so I just changed this out right over here, as you can see. So I can add a new slide over here and choose the template from the left side right over here, because this is a template for presentation. So I can go over here, and then you can see that this loads out. This is a paid image, so I can just delete this out, and I can go over here, change out just like that, and change out the text. And I have all of the settings that I had for other graphic designing applications. So I can go over here, I can add it in. So the other thing that you can do is you can present this. And since this is a presentation slide, you have an option to present it from right over here. So you can click on present, and you can see that these are the transitions that you can choose. So let's say you want something like a slide transition, as you can see, or rise transition, as you can see. So these are the transitions that you actually see. So I'm just going to go around with slide. On title, you can choose autoplay and presenter view as well, as you can see. So I'm just going to go to standard and click on present. So it goes to full screen, as you can see. So I can go back using my keyboard. I can press right on my keyboard and left on my keyboard to actually navigate around. So this is my first presentation slide. I can press right on my keyboard, right again, and there you go. That's the presentation, just like that. And you can also open up the presenter view just like this, and you get the presenter view over here just like this as well. And you can present it out on a projector just like that. So let me just close this out right over here. So this is what you can give it to the presenter. You can project this out on the projector and use this presenter view right over here and choose out the slides, and you can add notes just like a PowerPoint presentation, as you can see. You can also exit this out, and over here under present you can also download this as a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation files. And of course we're going to see about how to export out different graphics in further lesson, but here it says Microsoft PowerPoint. So what you can do is you can click on this, and you can download all the 3 pages, as you can see, and download it out. So what it does after that is it downloads it as a PowerPoint presentation slide. So let me just go get out over here and then go around on to PowerPoint just like that. So let me just double click, and over here this is the PowerPoint slide, as you can see. So this has been made in Canva, and now I have it in PowerPoint. So if I want to use that design onto PowerPoint and then present it, that's an option over there as well. So that is how you can design and work with presentations inside of Canva. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.